Understanding GIAC Cybersecurity Certifications.
GIAC, the Global Information Assurance Certification, offers highly respected cybersecurity certifications. These credentials validate practical skills in areas like incident response, penetration testing, digital forensics, and security management. Choosing the right GIAC certification can boost your career, but options can seem overwhelming. Let's explore the most popular certifications and how to select one that fits your professional ambitions.
GIAC Security Essentials, GSEC, Foundation for Cybersecurity.
The GSEC certification is ideal for those seeking a solid foundation in cybersecurity. It covers essential topics such as network security, cryptography, and incident response. If you're early in your cybersecurity career or want to validate broad security skills, GSEC is a strong starting point. It's recommended for IT professionals, entry-level security analysts, and anyone looking to break into the field.
GIAC Certified Incident Handler, GCIH, Handling Cyber Threats.
GCIH is designed for professionals responsible for incident detection and response. It focuses on understanding attack techniques, incident handling, and mitigation strategies. If your career goals include working on security operations teams or responding to cyber threats, GCIH demonstrates expertise in this critical area. It's a great choice for security analysts, SOC personnel, and incident responders.
GIAC Penetration Tester, GPEN, and GIAC Exploit Researcher, GXPN.
GPEN targets those interested in penetration testing and ethical hacking. The certification covers network and web application testing methodologies. For more advanced roles, GXPN delves into exploit development and advanced penetration techniques. Choose GPEN to demonstrate practical pen testing skills, or GXPN if you aim to specialize in advanced offense or red teaming roles.
GIAC Certified Forensics Analyst, GCFA, Digital Forensic Expertise.
A GCFA certification is a proven choice for those interested in digital forensics and incident investigation. It validates the ability to analyze compromised systems, investigate breaches, and recover digital evidence. GCFA is ideal if you aim for roles like digital forensic analyst or forensic investigator in law enforcement, corporate security, or consulting.
How to choose the right GIAC certification.
Start by assessing your current experience and your career goals. If you're new to security, foundational certifications like GSEC may be best. For specialized roles, opt for credentials like GCIH, GPEN, or GCFA. Consider your desired specialization: incident response, penetration testing, or forensics. Each GIAC certification proves specific competencies that can support your path to advancement in cybersecurity.